Have you ever wondered why growing giant pumpkins is more complicated than expected? In today's modern farming world, the process of cultivating these colossal gourds has evolved into a fascinating and intricate endeavor. From specialized techniques to dedicated care, the journey of nurturing giant pumpkins is a captivating tale that appeals to viewers interested in unique agricultural practices. The fascination with growing giant pumpkins lies in the challenge of pushing the boundaries of traditional farming methods. Farmers and enthusiasts alike are constantly experimenting with innovative approaches to achieve record-breaking sizes. This pursuit of excellence showcases the dedication and passion that goes into producing these extraordinary fruits. For viewers seeking a deeper understanding of the extraordinary aspects of food production, the world of giant pumpkin farming offers a unique glimpse into the intersection of science, art, and nature. The meticulous attention to detail, the strategic planning, and the sheer determination required to grow these behemoth pumpkins exemplify the spirit of Farmfront's mission to showcase the extraordinary in agriculture. Join us on a journey through the complexities and rewards of growing giant pumpkins, where tradition meets innovation, and where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Exploring giant pumpkin growth. Delving into the detailed process of cultivating giant pumpkins unveils a world of complexities and challenges that modern farmers face in their quest for colossal gourds. Utilizing specific techniques tailored for pumpkin growth, farmers employ a combination of traditional wisdom and cutting-edge innovations to nurture these oversized fruits to perfection. One of the key challenges faced by farmers in cultivating giant pumpkins is ensuring optimal soil quality and nutrient balance. These mammoth plants require a delicate balance of essential nutrients, water, and sunlight to thrive and reach their full potential. Additionally, pests and diseases pose a constant threat, requiring vigilant monitoring and proactive measures to protect the pumpkins from harm. To overcome these challenges and enhance pumpkin size and quality, farmers have developed innovative methods that push the boundaries of conventional farming practices. From specialized fertilization regimens to strategic pruning techniques, every aspect of pumpkin cultivation is meticulously planned and executed to maximize growth and yield. By exploring the intricate world of giant pumpkin growth, we gain a deeper appreciation for the dedication and expertise required to produce these extraordinary fruits. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind cultivating giant pumpkins and discover the art and science behind growing nature's giants. Nutritional science behind giant pumpkins. Unraveling the nutritional aspects of giant pumpkins sheds light on the essential role that key nutrients play in their successful development. These colossal gourds require a precise balance of nutrients to fuel their growth and achieve their impressive sizes, making the science of pumpkin nutrition a critical component of modern farming practices. Exploring the key nutrients required for the successful development of giant pumpkins reveals the importance of elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These essential nutrients play a vital role in supporting plant growth, root development, and fruit formation, ensuring that the pumpkins have the resources they need to reach their full potential. The role of soil composition and fertilization in pumpkin nutrition cannot be understated. Farmers carefully analyze the nutrient content of the soil and supplement it with organic and synthetic fertilizers to provide the pumpkins with a balanced diet. By optimizing the soil's nutrient levels, farmers create an environment that promotes healthy growth and robust fruit production. Modern farming techniques further enhance pumpkin health and size through nutrition by utilizing advanced fertilization methods, precision irrigation systems, and targeted nutrient applications. By harnessing the power of science and technology, farmers can maximize the nutritional potential of giant pumpkins, resulting in larger, healthier fruits that captivate and inspire. Challenges and solutions in pumpkin farming. Addressing the common challenges faced by farmers in growing giant pumpkins requires a deep understanding of the environmental factors that impact pumpkin growth. From unpredictable weather patterns to soil quality variations, farmers must navigate a myriad of challenges to ensure the successful cultivation of these oversized fruits. Pest management strategies play a crucial role in pumpkin farming, as pests and diseases can wreak havoc on pumpkin crops if left unchecked. Farmers employ a combination of cultural practices, biological controls, and targeted pesticide applications to protect their pumpkins from common pests such as aphids, squash bugs, and powdery mildew. By implementing integrated pest management techniques, farmers can minimize the impact of pests while reducing reliance on chemical interventions. Technological advancements have revolutionized the way farmers overcome farming challenges in pumpkin cultivation. From precision agriculture tools that optimize irrigation and fertilization to drone technology that provides real-time monitoring of crop health, farmers now have access to a suite of innovative solutions that enhance productivity and efficiency. By harnessing the power of technology, farmers can mitigate environmental risks, improve pest management practices, and ultimately achieve greater success in growing giant pumpkins. Harvesting and preserving giant pumpkins. Detailing the harvesting process of giant pumpkins involves knowing the optimal time to pick these oversized fruits to ensure peak freshness and quality. Farmers typically harvest giant pumpkins when they have reached their full size and developed a deep, rich color. Timing is crucial, as harvesting too early can result in underdeveloped pumpkins, while waiting too long can lead to overripeness and reduced shelf life. Once harvested, preserving the quality of giant pumpkins becomes a priority. Storage techniques play a key role in maintaining pumpkin freshness and extending their lifespan. Cool, dry storage areas are ideal for keeping pumpkins in optimal condition, as exposure to moisture and extreme temperatures can cause deterioration. Proper ventilation and regular inspection are essential to prevent mold growth and ensure that the pumpkins remain in prime condition. Post-harvest care is equally important for preserving the quality of giant pumpkins over the long term. Handling pumpkins with care, avoiding rough surfaces that can cause bruising, and monitoring for signs of decay are all critical steps in maintaining the freshness and appearance of these impressive fruits. By following best practices for post-harvest care, farmers can ensure that their giant pumpkins remain a source of pride and admiration for weeks to come. In conclusion, we have explored the intricate world of growing giant pumpkins with modern farming techniques, uncovering the complexities and challenges that farmers face in nurturing these colossal gourds. From specialized cultivation methods to innovative solutions for pest management, the journey of cultivating giant pumpkins is a testament to the dedication and expertise of farmers in pushing the boundaries of traditional agriculture. The significance of unique agricultural practices in food production is evident in the art and science of growing giant pumpkins. By blending tradition with innovation, farmers create a harmonious balance that results in the production of extraordinary fruits that captivate and inspire. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may be intrigued by the fascinating world of giant pumpkin farming. By engaging with our content, you support our mission to showcase the extraordinary aspects of food production and celebrate the passion and ingenuity of farmers around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of giant pumpkins. Stay tuned for more captivating stories and insights into the remarkable world of agriculture. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this video. Like, comment and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts and explore more engaging videos on our channel. When you comment, be prepared to receive a free ebook gift by DA Sage, Mastering ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide to leveraging conversational AI. And if you like our video, click the link in the description section to find out how you can make a video like this one. Together, let's continue to learn, adapt, and excel in the ever-evolving world of technology and automation. Thank you for watching. Together, we can continue to explore, learn, and appreciate the wonders of the farming community. Until next time.